Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our English second part online class. This is Mominul Islam, Assistant Teacher, Square High School and College. This class is for Standard 6. Today's topic, transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative. You know, it's the second class of this chapter. Let's start our today's class. In our previous class, we discussed on some rules of transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative. Today, we will discuss on some new rules of transformation of sentence, affirmative to negative. So, be attentive. Let's start our today's class. If we find the word as soon as in affirmative sentence, we will write the word no sooner had than instead of that word at the time of transforming negative sentence. Let's see the example, then it will be clear. As soon as I arrived home, it began to rain. So we find the word as soon as. So to transfer into negative sentence, we have to write no sooner had at the beginning of the sentence. So answer will be no sooner had I arrived home than it began to rain. I think you are clear and you can transfer such kinds of sentence into negative sentence very easily. Let's see the next rule. If we find the sentence is connected with both and in affirmative sentence, we will write the word not only but also instead of that word at the time of transforming negative sentence. Let's see the example. Both Rita and Geeta were beautiful. Here we find the word both and. So answer will be not only Rita but also Geeta was beautiful. Let's see the next example. Rahul is both honest and faithful. So answer will be Rahul is not only honest but also faithful. It's also a very easy rule and you can transfer such kinds of sentence into negative sentence very easily. If we find the sentence is connected with to in affirmative sentence, we will use so that instead of that word in the time of negative sentence. Let's see the example. He is too weak to walk. So answer will be he is so weak that he cannot walk. Let's see the next example. The math was too hard for me to solve. So answer will be the math was so hard that I could not solve. You may have a question. Here we use cannot and the second sentence we use could not. So you may have a question where we have to use cannot and where we have to use could not. The answer is very easy. If the sentence in present tense we have to use cannot and if the sentence remain in past tense we have to use could not. The first sentence is in present tense. For that reason we have to use here cannot, and in the second sentence was in past indefinite tense. For that reason we use here could not. So I think you are clear. If the sentences are universal truth, you should make the sentences interrogative negative. That means we have to transfer the sentence negative interrogative. Then it will be transferred negative sentence. It is also a very easy rule. Let's see. The sun rises in the east. It's a universal truth. So answer will be doesn't the sun rise in the east? The next example, the earth is round. It's also a universal truth. So we have to transfer negative interrogative to transfer into negative sentence. So answer will be, isn't the earth round? Honesty is the best policy. So answer will be, isn't honesty the best policy? So I think you are clear. Let's see the next rule. If we find the word am, is, are, was, were plus adjective in affirmative sentence, we will write not after that word and make opposite word of the adjective at the time of transforming negative sentence. Let's see the example, then you will be more clear. Man is mortal. Here we find the word is and the plus adjective. So we have to use these rules to transfer into negative sentence. So answer will be, man is not an opposite word of mortal, immortal. So answer will be, man is not immortal. Let's see the next one. She is present. So answer will be, she is not absent. I think you are clear. If we find the word always in affirmative sentence, we will write the word never instead of that word. That means instead of always we have to write never and make opposite word of verb, adjective and noun at the time of negative sentence. Let's see the example. I will always remember you. So we have to write never instead of always and we have to write opposite word of remember. So answer will be, I will never forget you. Let's see the next one. He is always present. So answer will be, he is never absent. I think you are clear. It's also a very important and easy rule. It's a very important and easy rule. Let's see. If we find the word mass in affirmative sentence, we have to write not a little. If we find the word a little in affirmative sentence, we have to write not much. If we find many in affirmative sentence, we have to write not a few. If you find the word a few in affirmative sentence, you have to write not many to transfer into negative sentence. It's very easy. Let's see. He wants much water. Here we find the very word mass in affirmative sentence. So we have to write not a little to transfer into negative sentence. So answer will be, he does not want a little water. I want a little milk. Here we find a little in affirmative sentence. For that reason we have to write not much in negative sentence. So answer will be, I don't want much milk. Let's see the next example. I have many friends. Here we find the word many. So we have to write not a few to transfer into negative sentence. So answer will be, I don't have a few friends. So I think you are clear. All rules are very easy. You have to practice more and it will be more easier to you. So please pick up the rules in your HW copies with example and practice from your books. If you find any problem or any difficulties, please knock me. Thank you. Remain safe and sound. Goodbye.